Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with my unboxing of the Nokia 6.1 2018. So just received this today, ordered it from Amazon. This was a $269 price tag and is my second Android One phone. My first one being the Xiaomi Mi A1, and I hope this phone is as good to me as that one has been. So we'll get it out of the box. And there's the phone. Put that aside for now. See what else we get. Well, there's our SIM removal tool. There's the booklets that nobody ever reads. There's our USB Type-C connector. And it does come with earphones. Nice surprise, I didn't know that it would come with earphones, so we'll check those out later. And of course the last thing in the box is our charging brick. Very attractive phone, I must say. You see the Android One there. It's a little bit blocky, so it feels really good in the hand. Seems to have good solid build quality. It's an all aluminum build, and one thing I like is the copper accents all around the camera, the fingerprint sensor, and around all the edges. So this feels really good to me. So up front, we've got a speaker up top, 8 megapixel 1080p camera, little Nokia branding. Around back, we've got 16 megapixel f2.0 with Zeiss optics, dual LED. Got a fingerprint sensor, little Nokia branding, and I've already showed you that it's Android One. Up top, we do have our headphone jack. On the right side, our volume up and down, our power button. On the left side, our SIM tray, and down the bottom, our Type-C input, and a microphone, and I guess we've got a microphone back here too. So let's power this on, see what kind of power we've got. Right away you can see that it's Android One. So I'll get this set up and I'll be back and show you what it looks like all booted up. So now we're all booted up, and as you can see, being an Android One phone, that looks as close to stock as you're going to get. So I may not even change the launcher on this thing. We've got our tray. Now this is a 5.5 inch display, 1080 by 1920, and it's got a 16 by 9 ratio, not the popular 18 by 9. It feels really solid in the hand. You can put 2 SIMs in here, or you can put 1 SIM and use the second SIM for your micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes. So the fingerprint is, I guess it's fast enough. Could be a little faster. Seems okay. As you can see, the fingerprint's a little bit low. I would have preferred it up a little higher. But other than that, it seems to work okay. So this phone will have my main SIM in it for a while, and my Moto G6 Plus will become my secondary phone. Those are the two phones I'll be carrying with me for a while. I like the looks of this phone. It's very attractive. I like the fact that it's Android 1, which means we'll get good fast updates. And we'll be doing our usual testing and our camera comparisons. Interesting to see what the cameras are going to be like on here, because this is my very first Nokia phone. Even back in the day, I never had one. So that's my unboxing of the Nokia 6.1 2018. As always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching.
Yeah.